guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a DIY hair mask for shiny and smooth looking hair. You can use this recipe twice a month and it just gives you a perfect shiny and smooth looking hair. So yeah, if you are interested in watching this video, let's get started. So the first thing, you need a super ripe banana. Ripe bananas are rich in potassium and gives you a perfect shine to your hair and prevent and control dandruff. It has vitamins which helps in soften your hair. So first we need a ripe banana and mash the banana in the grinder. You also need an egg. It has vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin and folate, which helps in essential nutrients and grow your hair. To this I am mixing 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Lime juice helps in promoting hair growth and also helps in reducing hair thinning and hair loss problems. As you know, lime juice has vitamin C and vitamin C is really good for your hair. I'm also gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of honey, which is a natural moisturizer to your hair and it reduces frizziness of your hair also and gives you a perfect shine to your hair. I'm also gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of malai. You can also use mayonnaise instead of malai and it just add a natural shine to your hair because malai has a natural moisturizing ingredient. After adding all the things, just blend the mixture, but do not add any water in this mixture because this mixture is very runny, so don't add any water. After that, you need any empty bottle like this. I have taken this shampoo bottle because the opener of this bottle is very good and very small, so it is convenient to apply your mixture with this kind of bottle opener. You can take any bottle you want. And now just adding the mixture into the bottle and then we will just start applying this mixture. And after completing the bottle with the mixture, this is how this bottle will looks like. Now start this process. As you can see, my hair are looking very rough and very dry at this moment. So now we will start, but before applying this, make sure you wear an old t-shirt so that you do not mess up at the end. So now I'm going to start by applying this mixture. I'm going to do center part of my hair and applying the mixture from the roots till the end of my hairline and then gently spreading the mixture onto my hair. Now it is very easy to apply this mixture with the help of this bottle because the mixture is very runny, so you have to be little careful while applying this mixture. I'm going to work this mixture to the roots till the end of my hair. This hair mask smells like banana and it's very beneficial for your hair and gives a nice luster and shine to your hair. Now once that is done, I'm going to massage my hair a little bit and going to tie my hair with the help of a hair band. And then I'm going to cover my hair with the help of this plastic bag because I wanted to maintain the moisture to my hair, and I'll keep this mixture for 1 hour and then wash it off with the shampoo and conditioner. You can use any regular shampoo or conditioner. I'll list down my shampoo or conditioner in the description box below. After washing my hair, I just straighten my hair a little bit to show you guys the shine it provides to my hair. It feels very silky and smooth and it's more of a homemade keratin treatment and it will just last you for about 2 weeks and it gives a natural shine to my hair and it is so perfect, so good. I just love this hair mask. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments down below if you want more of a DIY hair mask or any DIY kind of a video. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.